Hello everyone! Since many of you asked for a tutorial for dynamic muscles in VRChat, in response to my previous video showing off this feature on my avatar, here we are with the part 1 of this tutorial, which would be modeling and blend shapes. So for this to work, you would need two sets of blend shapes. This particular tutorial is only for your bicep muscles because that's mainly the thing you can work with, but you can extend this to whatever you want. You can do this two ways. One is you make your model so that the default state is relaxed muscles, and then you turn it into a blend shape for flexed status, or you simply make two sets of blend shapes, one for relaxed muscles and one for when it's flexed. In this case, the avatar is neither relaxed nor flexed. It just is. So what I would do here is basically make a relaxed version of this. So I would go to my shape keys in Blender, add a shape key, call it relaxed, put it on 1, and go to sculpting and start basically relaxing the muscles, let's say. Make sure there are no masks selected, and just go ahead and smooth things out and basically make the muscles on the biceps, for example, here a little smaller so they appear more relaxed. Maybe take away some of the muscle definition so it looks relaxed as well. Let's say this is our relaxed phase, okay? You make it for both sides, by the way. Now we would want a second blend shape and call it flexed. Okay, we put this relaxed one back to 0 and put flex to 1. We go to sculpting again and we start bulking up the muscles the way it would be flexed when you squeeze your arms. So you would just give it more volume. Doesn't matter if it doesn't look natural in the T-pose because, well, clearly in the T-pose your muscles wouldn't be flexed in this way. But basically make it so that if you were flexing, how it would look like. Right? So once you're happy with your result, you would have two phases. One is relaxed and one is flexed. We would need to make this into two parts, so each one of these blend shapes have to be split into two parts, one for left and one for the right side of the body. So what you want to do is turn the value up for, let's say, relaxed here, and click on the arrow, go new shape from mix, and another new shape from mix. I call this relaxed L and relaxed R. Okay, and we do the same thing with flexed. Put it to 1, arrow, new shape from mix, do it twice, call it flexed L and flexed R. Okay, return the value for flexed to 0. Now this is important, the most important part for this. Let's go to relaxed L, put it to value 1. You see both arms change, of course. Now go to edit mode. Make sure to enable to toggle X-ray. And here you want to select the opposite side of whatever blend shape you're on. So we're on the left side, therefore we select the right side of the avatar. Okay, we select the right side of the avatar and go to vertex, blend from shape. Make sure the shape is on basis. So basically it has no shapes activated, and check off the add. By doing this, it'll only keep the changes for the left side. Repeat the same thing with the right side. Select the right side in the shape keys, and now select left vertices or faces. Go to vertex, blend from shape, and repeat the same thing, basis and no add. Now, if you look at your blend shapes, they only affect the corresponding side. This is affecting the right side, and this one's affecting the left side. Now, do the exact same thing with flexed left and right. So go to edit mode, make sure flexed, well, it doesn't matter if it's 1 or not. For flexed left, we select the right side of the body, like before. Make sure it's in X-ray mode. Right? Vertex, blend from shape to basis. Do the same thing for the right side. Blend from shape. And as you can see, we can flex one of the two sides. So this is basically what you would need for the model setup for dynamic muscles. Once you finish the blend shapes, you can export the model to Unity, and we'll continue from there in the second part of the tutorial.